Good morning, my friends. Happy Tuesday. Today is May the 12th, 2020, and we're here for our foundations lesson today. Um, we have three parts to our lesson today. We have our drill sound warm up, then we have our decoding, and then we have our trick words. So you can see that things are already set up behind me. And yeah, we're going to have fun learning today. Parents, I'm going to also show you some things to add to our summer resource box. And yeah, let's get started, friends. All right, so we're going to start with our diagraphs today. Are you ready? All right, let's take a deep breath. All right, let's get started. TH, the, that said the, that's not the. TH, thumb. I was thinking about one of our friends' videos from yesterday. CH, chin, ch. Good job. SH, ship, sh. CK, sock, k. Good. WH, whistle, w. Just a question, friends. What letter makes the w sound? Same as WH. Good. It is the letter W. All right, friends. Let's do our vowels. Repeat after me. Long I says I. Short I says I. Long E says E. Short E says E. Long U says U. Short U says Long O says O. Short O says ah. Last one. Long A says A. Short A says A. Good, friends. I think you're becoming long vowel versus short vowel experts. And last but not least, let's get started with our consonants, friends. All right. G, game, G. Q, queen, P, pan, C, cat, K. F, fun, L, lamp, ooh. Z, zebra, Z. Good job, friends. J, jug, J. X, fox, X. Good. We have to slow down on X. S, snake. Good. R, rat. Ooh. Great job. Y, yellow. Y. Almost done. T, top. M, man. N, nut. H, hat. D, dog. D. B, bat. B. W, wind. W. K, kite. K. V, van. V. Good job, friends. Parents, if you notice, I moved a little quicker this go around with drill sound warm-ups. They should be able to keep up. We do this every day, even during distance learning. So in the unit 5, I'm going to be moving a little bit quicker. If you notice that they are struggling to keep up, please let me know. And then we can talk about further practices that we can do to improve the speed of our friends. Okay, so please don't just walk away when they're looking at the video. Keep watch of them or video them And then when I look at the videos, I'll be able to tell what I need to do for our friends. All right. So I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to be up at the process chart and we're going to decode our word train. All right. See you in a bit.